Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Zahid. I just got done with the workout, and if you're thinking about doing something healthy or working out today, consider this your sign to do so. I'm kind of talking to myself in the future when I edit this later because your boy been getting a little thick over the holidays. I'm not mad at it, I've been having a lot of fun, but I do want to stay consistent. But anyways, that doesn't really matter right now. Today is episode 1, possibly the only episode of my track day prep. I will be going to my first track day on December 9th over at Thunder Hill in Willows, California. I'm very, very excited, and I need to start getting my car ready for the track. So the first step is I'm gonna reveal my track wheels today, right now actually, and I think it might surprise you guys, so hold on a sec. You know, obviously I don't really want to track the car with my Mugen MF10s. And do I really need to go squared? Do I really need a really nice, expensive set of wheels? Probably not. I'm gonna be learning a lot. I'm probably gonna be running these wheels for the next, 4 to 5 track days and just figuring it out. So without further ado, drum roll please. I'm running my stock AP2 V1 wheels. What do you guys think? Okay, so for those of you who don't know about AP2 V1 wheels, these were available on early model AP2s. They come in a 17x7 in the front and a 17x8.5 in the rear. Both of them have ridiculously high offsets, as all stock S2000 wheels have. And I think they're gonna be perfect for my first maybe like 3 to 5 track days. One thing I did upgrade though is I did buy new tires because these tires are shot. I'm going with some Firestone Firehawk Indy 500s, I think is what they're called. So anyways, I guess let's fast forward to tomorrow where I'm at the shop, and we're gonna get these all mounted, balanced, and we're gonna do a couple other things to prepare myself for the track. As you can see, the stock wheels are back on the car, and I gotta say, it looks pretty good. A funny story about these wheels is that I've actually never seen these wheels on my car. When I bought the car, they had aftermarket wheels, then I got the Mugen MF10s, and finally, almost 4 years later, I put the stock wheels back on for the track day, and yeah, they look pretty good. Anyways, speaking of track day, last step in my track day prep is to just make sure my car is packed properly. I have the right tools, I have all the right supplies. Okay, so like you saw in the last footage, I ended up going to Wine Country Motorsports, and I ended up picking up this Bell K1 helmet. Seems like an entry-level helmet for Bell, which getting a helmet in the first place was not on my original plans. See, I assumed, and I might be the idiot here, but I assumed that I could use my motorcycle helmet for auto racing. And the reason behind that was I figured that if it was Snell approved, which is kind of like a major certification for helmets, I should be able to use it for both motorcycle and auto racing. Luckily, I found out before it was too late that I needed a real helmet. Now, if this is your first track day, you could totally go to a track and rent a helmet, but I figured it's not gonna be my last one, so I might as well buy a helmet. So like I said, I went with the Bell K1. I took off all the stickers, so it looks pretty plain, but this is the K1. And there are some major differences between a motorcycle helmet and an auto racing helmet. The first one is the shape's a little different. The second one is that motorcycle helmets are designed to take impact off of the ground, whereas an auto racing helmet is more designed to take impact from objects flying towards you. And lastly, the major difference is that auto racing helmets are fire resistant, whereas motorcycle helmets are not. You're not typically going to be sitting on your motorcycle if it's on fire, but you very well could be in a car stuck in a wreck while the car is on fire and you're stuck inside. So those are the main differences. I'm really happy with it. Like I said, pretty simple, straightforward. And one other tip is, you know, I had to pick up this helmet on a pretty late notice, but despite that, I still made sure to make time to go to the store to try them on, because fit is really important for these types of things. Sure, you could just order one online, but you really want to go in, test out a bunch of different helmets, because different brands fit differently. A medium in Bell won't be the same as like a medium in an Arai or G-Force or Zamp or any of those other brands. You don't have to go with the Bell. They're not the cheapest. This was $450. Yeah, which is a good amount of money. And you can imagine why I was so bummed that this didn't work, because my motorcycle helmet was like $500. And the whole time I thought that I would be able to reuse it for auto racing one day. I'm an idiot for that one. But anyways, this is the helmet. I'm super happy with it. Now let's get to the tools and supplies I'm packing for the day. Okay, so most, if not everything I'm bringing, it was recommended by the organization setting up the track day. So we'll start with the basics, right? I got my basic toolkit. I pretty much use this on every install we ever done. I have some work gloves. I have a tire pressure gauge. I guess this is something we're gonna have to check throughout the day. To be honest, I have no idea. Just gonna kind of figure it out as I'm out there. I did bring a torque wrench for if I have to re-torque my lug bolts at any point. I brought a lug nut set too. This might be the most underrated thing in my kit here. This is a chair, camp chair. And you know, you gotta wait in between sessions and it's a long day. So they suggested bring a camp chair. You can set it outside, use it to mark your spot, and then just chill and rest. A couple things not pictured here. I do have some other basic tools. I have food. I'm gonna bring snacks and water. You know, might have some Cheez-Its or some gummy bears, maybe a little sody water or something like that. I think that wraps up track day prep. I've done everything I need to do. Now it's about getting my ass over to Thunder Hill, 2.5 hour drive from my place, by the way, and just having fun, learning as much as I can. I gotta be real with you guys. I am so nervous. I'm like nervous, like I feel butterflies. I'm excited, but I'm nervous. This car is my baby. I've been babying it the entire time I've had it. You know, besides the occasional spirited drive, I've been investing, you know, in high quality parts, and I haven't really skimped on anything on this car. And now it's time to really put it to the test at the track. Super nerve-wracking, but I'm really excited, and I'm really happy that you guys are on this journey with me. I'll take a quick moment. Shout out to all the subscribers. If you're watching and you're not subscribed, consider it. I want to hit 1,000 subscribers this year. I know it's pretty late. It's already December, and we got a long way to go. But I want to hit 1,000 subscribers, and I just want to say thank you. And when we do hit 1,000 subs, we'll do another giveaway for sure. I did one last year with the spoon rearview mirror. I'm not going to guarantee it could be a Mugen part this time, but there's a good chance it'll be a Mugen part in the next giveaway. So you guys all have to get me to 1,000 to figure out what that giveaway will be. And stay tuned, because the next video will definitely have some track footage. All right, peace out. Take care.